Ténéré 700 or CRF300L Rally? Serious adventure or agile off-road fun? Today, we compare specs, price, and purpose in 90 seconds. Yamaha Ténéré 700. 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin, approximately 72 horsepower. Honda CRF300L Rally. 286 cubic centimeters single, approximately 27 horsepower. Big torque for highways versus light torque for trails. Ténéré, approximately 205 kilograms. Seat, approximately 875 millimeters. CRF300L Rally, approximately 153 kilograms. Seat, approximately 880 millimeters. Lighter is easier off-road. Heavier is stable on pavement. Ténéré 700, long travel for rough roads. CRF300L Rally, rally-style suspension for trails. Comfort versus agility. Ténéré, approximately 16 liters fuel tank, long range. CRF300L Rally, approximately 12.8 liters, light and efficient. Touring versus exploration. Ténéré 700, premium adventure price, higher up front but more power and range. CRF300L Rally, more affordable, budget-friendly for trail riders. Value versus simplicity. Pick the Ténéré 700 if you want highway cruising, long-distance touring, load-carrying capability. Choose the CRF300L Rally if you want light off-road fun, easy handling, budget-friendly fun. Which one fits your ride style? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more bike comparisons.